I miss your eyes, Talia. Ooh, Talia, ooh, Talia. I miss you. How I forget you. How I forget you. You left me broken, without a goodbye. Took my heart with you, left me here to cry. Promised forever, but you chose to lie. Now the nights feel empty, and I still wonder. I've been missing you for years and years. You're beautiful, eyes still bring me tears. That lovely face keeps haunting my mind. How can I forget you, my love, my crime? You were unfaithful, yet I still care. After all this time, ooh, yeah. Your eyes keep calling me in every dream. Your smile lingers like a silent scream. I try to move on, but my heart won't heal. Tell me how to forget you. I miss your eyes, Talia. Ooh, Talia, ooh, Talia. I miss you. How I forget you. How I forget you. I've been missing you for years and years. You're beautiful, eyes still bring me tears. That lovely face keeps haunting my mind. How can I forget you, my love, my crime? You were unfaithful, yet I still care. After all this time, you're still How do I erase the memories we made? Your eyes, your face, they never fade. I forgave the pain, but not the love we lost. You're the one I miss, no matter the cost.